Hello everyone, this is Mike, and in this video I'm going to go over APRS using MultiPSK and SDRuno, but before I do that I want to show you a few things that's going on with SDRplay.com. We have a new download for the Raspberry Pi, which is a complete download with the operating system and everything that's needed to hook up your RSP1 or RSP2 and be up and running. It's in the download section. If you go to downloads, and you go to Raspberry Pi, and you'll see the pre-built image, and inside that pre-built image there's a ton of stuff: cubic SDR, ADSB server, SOAPy. There's a bunch of stuff, so you definitely want to check that out. And that's the first thing. The second thing is I started uploading a bunch of how-to guides in reference to different modes that you can decode using MultiPSK, SDRuno, and the different digital modes that are out there. And the first one we're going to do is APRS, and you just can click it and your browser should show the PDF file, and you can zoom in, and it's just a basic breakdown of how to set up MultiPSK using SDRuno. And you're going to need either virtual audio cable or VB cable. I provide links over here. VB cable is free, virtual audio cable is not. MultiPSK is also not free. There's a few of the modes that are limited, and they're set with a timer. So I believe after 5 or 10 minutes it's going to disable. I'm not sure on what modes they are, but you can go to MultiPSK's website. And let me see if I can pull that up for you. Usually I just type MultiPSK in Google and it's the first website returned. And you can download it right here. And right there's a download. Patrick has version 4.3.2. I'm sorry, 4.32. Alright, let me get MultiPSK up and running. This is a brand new build here, so not everything is configured 100%, but I'm going to go over my settings to make sure everything goes smooth. So the first time you install MultiPSK, this is the screen that you're going to see. So just go to Language, English, Translation File, None. PC, set that to 450 megahertz. Options for serial port, neither. Serial ports, none. Serial port for GPS is none. For KISS, also none. Input, set that as your virtual audio cable. Your output would be your sound card. Auxiliary, that it doesn't really matter. Mixer doesn't matter. Sequence, that doesn't matter. Logbook, none of that actually matters. Okay, you want to save your parameters. You want to open RX and TX by default. Save it again. Let's see why that's happening. Alright, we'll have to look into that. And just click on RxTX, and that will bring you right into the main screen. In MultiPSK, these are the modes over here. These are the configuration. This is the configuration area per mode. So if I was to pick APRS, this is going to change. If I was to pick, let's say, ALE 141A, it's going to change over here. So we're going to go to APRS. I want to change this over here. We don't want double. I want the fonts, the RX and TX font, I want to make that a lime green and make that 14. The background, I want black, this way it's easier to see. Alright, now let's launch SDRuno. We're going to give ourselves some separation between the tune and the LO. The mode is FM, narrow FM, 12K. And I have the filter enabled, otherwise it's just going to not sound right. I figured you guys don't want to hear static. You can also enable the squelch, and you can use that as almost like a gate. And let's pull it up. Let's pull up that document again. Okay, so it's 144.390. Alright, we have that. 144. And that's the burst. That's the APRS burst. Now I might be off by a few hertz because I didn't calibrate. This is a brand new machine. It's a new install. So let's see how far I'm off. Oh, not that bad. It should still decode. Okay, let's look at the document. It says 144390, narrow FM, 12K, packet, APRS, and let's see if we have everything right over here. FSK, that is selected, APRS, that is for the map. I'll get into that in a second. And that's basically it. Now, let's fix the map, because APRS is going to send position data. So you select APRS. Let me bring that into view. And you want to click on Maps, which is right over here. Let me just close without storage. The map button over here. Since I'm in North America, I'm going to select North America, and I'm going to close with storage. And let's maximize this, and it's going to show me where this station is. This Kilo 2 Papa Uniform Tango. Now let's just see what's going on in the world of APRS. Now you'll get direct simplex transmissions, and there's also digipeated, where if there's a repeater, it will digipeat it and transmit even further. Let's make that font a little bit bigger. And let's see if we can get rid of some of the static. Okay, so this gentleman here is letting people know he's on 145.130 with this PL. And we can close the map. And let's just see why I can't. There's the squelch. And that's basically it with APRS. Let's just see if there's anything else. Well, nope, that pretty much covers it with APRS. In the upcoming videos, I'll go over all the different how-to guides that are uploaded with videos. And that's basically it. 7.3s for now, and thank you guys for watching. We have a lot more in store, a lot more videos, a lot more how-to guides. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be uploaded to SDRplay.com. So thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.